Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful paper flower vase. To do this, we'll need 2 complementary colored papers, glue, scissor, and something round. First, take the pink paper and cut it square. Then glue the edge and start rolling from one side to make a cone. After that, cut the bottom of the cone. Now take the pink paper again and cut a circle from it. Then, cut circle and make a small cone as shown in the video. After that, glue it with the other cone. Now take another piece of paper, cut a small circle from it. Then, cut a small hole in the circle. Now apply some glue on the circle and stick it inside the cone. After that, take the black paper and cut a small piece from it. Then cut and glue them as shown in the video. After making the shape, cut another piece of black paper and glue it around the cone like a belt. Next, glue the shape you've just made. Now take a yellow paper and make a little flower as shown in the video. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you get the fundamentals of the wall hanging. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this, I'll see you in the next video.